What is up, you guys? Welcome or welcome back to my channel.
No, I don't see it happening, and I probably should.
Today I am coming at you guys with an unboxing. I received my very first Influenster Voxbox and I am super excited. I never in a million years thought that I would have gotten picked. To be honest, I reviewed the products on Influenster and I told myself, like, I'm just doing this because I'm just doing this. Like, I'm never gonna get a box because I'm not that lucky. But I did get a box. I did get a box, and when I got the email saying that I'm on the short list, I filled out the survey and I still was not expecting to get a box. And then when I got the email saying you're in, my excitement was through the roof. Okay, all right. So anyways, without further ado, let us open this box and see what's inside. I already have an idea what's inside because they let you know, but yeah, you guys don't know, so I'm gonna show you. Okay, first things first, I see a few cards inside, so we're just gonna go really quickly through the cards. The first card is a card telling you what exactly you have to do. So it says go to the app, try your products, unlock badges. So anyways, first things first, this is a purifying charcoal clay facial mask, and it's by the brand Semois. So I guess this is just a trial version. So yeah, I'm excited to try that. Then I have Chameleon temporary color spray. There's two of them. There's one in pink pigments and the other one is in purple pigments. Interesting. I'm looking forward to trying that out as well on my natural hair to see how it turns out. Then you have this Nature's Bounty hair, skin and nail gummies. I'm excited for this. I tried this in the past and I really liked it. These are so delicious, so delicious. I'm tempted to open it and try it like right now, but I'm gonna wait. I can't wait, but I'm gonna wait. And last but not least, there's this Chorus Greek Yogurt Foaming Cream Cleanser for all skin types. And I am really excited to try that as well. So yeah guys, these were all the products in my Voxbox. I received these products complimentary. I did not pay for these products. They sent it to me to test out for my honest review. So I will be probably reviewing some of the products in there on YouTube, or I may just keep it to Instagram, Snapchat and Twitter. So with that being said, go follow me on all my social media if you are interested in seeing how these products work for me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.